Hello, I'm gonna be climbing on this hill. Then I'm gonna see a tram train. I'm in Sacramento. I might fall off. Oh. I know this is risky. Oh no, what am I thinking? I might fall off and get my clothes dirty. But there's like a train track over there. Woo. I think no, it's gonna be this hard. I don't know, what is that sound coming from? I'm just gonna... We'll see it soon. But I see a plane over there. There's a plane over there though, but I'll see the tram soon. So I climbed and I see my grandma. I see you. Okay, and then there's gonna be a tram train coming soon. Okay, I see a tram. The tram's over there. There's a tram over there. It stopped over there. Finally see it. So we're gonna see it move again later. Oh, sadly I didn't record the blue one, but I record the yellow one and also blue. Here it goes, going. It's going. The first one we recorded went over there. It's just my tablet had issues. I was trying to get out. Anyways, it's gonna stop over there. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna go down. It might be dangerous, but I could try. Okay, I'm off of the hill. I'm now on the low ground. So hope you like and subscribe. And also, this was in Sacramento. Bye.